Alright. Yeah. Also, I'm
Oh, I got his weighted vest.
Hi. As I am getting into the car. Yeah, we found a can of cat food in here, by the way. If you're wondering why that's here.
I didn't bring my umbrella.
Yeah, alright. I can drop you off. It's really hot.
Plug my phone in. This is a... Well, Mom, can you turn the music off?
Sorry, yeah. Well, I'll turn it down.
No, off. I'm gonna get a copyright.
Alright, well, when you're done filming, let me know.
Yes, I know. So this is a video for those of you that are new to wiring stuff. So here's my little circuit right here. It's a little elevator button. Lights up blue.
I think this week I can put my car on autopilot to Lancaster.
Yeah.
What?
I think I could put my car on autopilot to Lancaster.
What do you mean?
It would go by itself, I'm kidding.
Yeah, but what did that come from?
She's been down there a lot.
Oh. So, pretty much how this works is that I put in a little LED to this battery pack. There's some electrical tape around it that holds it in place. Yeah, see, it needs to be held in place, otherwise it won't turn on.
Took 23,000. Okay, because they needed it. Okay. Go back this afternoon.
So, yeah.
Only station in Lancaster we have at 269.
I got gas this afternoon and it was $2.69, and I had 20 cents off and got it for $2.49.
So anyway, man, that's expensive though.
And everybody else was still
So, pretty much the LED just goes into the two potentials. So then, and here's the elevator button wiring. So the here it's kind of hard to show this. So the positive wire goes to this terminal right here, the bottom one. Then we'll go to that one will transfer to the top one through the contact switch. So I did the same thing with the negative.
This is open.
I know.
Switch sides, so it'd be easier to hook up the LED. So
One of them closed.
the positive or the red wire
And it's not the rail.
I don't know what other one
will go into that bottom part. Then it will come to the top part that goes to, and when you press, it'll go to that top part, which goes to this, which will power half of the LED. Then the negative goes into the top left side, and then the bottom left side is where the negative comes out when you press it. Then it leads to the LED powering screw terminal 2, and it powers the LED so it lights up. So then you can see the LED through it. But however, I'm in the car right now, so you can't see it. Basically, you can't see it that well. But yeah, that's it.